Technology has been transforming every social field, from science to politics to economics to law. And in my view, we got to the point in which it's going to transform profoundly our idea of government. It's not that technology is going to be kept as a department of the government or as a sector of the government. Technology will be the government. And I think we need to be prepared for that, because I don't think we fully understand the repercussions of this change. I think this is at the same time a challenge, because governments will have to go through this transition, but it's also a huge policy question, because we will have to deal with the repercussions of a new form of governance that I think is going to be pervasive sooner rather than later.